Boomhauer 69 here. Got another folding knife from this company right here called UTICA USA knife. They call this their Bass Pro model because of the bass fish. Here's the back side of the knife. I like how they have their logo engraved on the belt clip. It's a minor lock ball bearing. It's made in China. 440 stainless steel, China blade. If you'd like to see a more in-depth video about this product right here, head on over to Boomhauer 69's channel at youtube.com where there's a more in-depth video about this product right here.